Okay, so I thought I'd go for a little walk before the sun goes down today. You can take a look at how high the drifts are around here. We made a little path to the backyard. The backyard is also got some pretty cool drifts in here. The garage looks awesome since Scott painted it this summer. Nice and white against the white snow. This is a nice drift. Goes all the way across the whole yard. It's about 5 feet high. I don't know if you can see beyond Nora's Playhouse, but the back fence went down. A couple of chairs lost in the snow. That's about it. It's kind of getting quiet. Pretty much everyone's shoveling is done. Here, see if you can see this cool drift. Well, that's our yard. Now I'll walk up to the front. Me and Dad did a bunch of shoveling today, and then we flagged a guy down with his plow and had him shovel out the front of the driveway. Gave him a little bit of cash, and he was zip done in 20 seconds. Arlington Heights Road has no traffic. Look at these mountains and tunnels. It's amazing. Okay, it's about 5 o'clock. Sun's going down. There isn't a single car going north. One car going from the south. Check this mountain out. This is at least 5 feet high. Right above the van. So it's pretty awesome. I'm going to take a walk around the neighborhood.